I'm starting a new video series. The plan is to start going through Florida birding trail sites. This morning I'm in the closest one, North Carolina and Theodore Roosevelt area. It's early morning, 6:45, right before the sunrise. Birds are waking up, and I can hear the cardinals, Carolina wren, clapper rails, and great blue heron. Right now I'm heading to the viewing platform. It's about a mile in, and it's sunrise time. This spot is actually really good. All kinds of stuff might fly by. I can see already common yellow-throats. Ooh, look at that! That's actually yellow-crowned night heron right there. So that's the yellow-crowned night heron standing nearby. It's still too dark to actually see the colors. It does have fine striping, all black bill. Such a cool bird. Yellow-crowned night heron. Wow! Guess what? Great horned owl is there. Yeah. On its usual spot, right there. Do you see? It's perched on top of the highest tree. It's hard to see, but it's moving its head. It's facing towards the sunrise. Great blue heron, little blue heron, great horned owl, yellow-crowned night heron. All kinds of stuff is around on this early morning. Oh, I just heard a pileated woodpecker. Such a beautiful area. And when the sun comes out, it's gonna turn even more pretty. White ibis is flying by. Beautiful. Look at that. Look how many white ibises are there. I think these ibises coming from Hannahburg, because there are like 200, 300, 400 roosting at night in Hannahburg, and early in the morning, right at sunrise, they're leaving. And I already saw like 50 of them flying by. Little blue heron is underneath. Yellow-crowned night heron. What else? Great blue heron. Here you go. There's the sun. It's beautiful. Such a great area, and the early mornings are the best. Look who showed up, green heron. Birds right top of this branch. Yeah, good job. What are you looking for? Cool. And there's a great egret. Once the sun comes out, birds are waking up. Let's go and check out other parts of Theodore Roosevelt area. So now I'm gonna head to Spanish Pond. Yep, let's go to Spanish Pond. Such a beautiful area. So I'm gonna take this trail and walk all the way to the Spanish Pond. Let me tell a little bit about the Great Florida Birding Trail. Great Florida Birding Trail is actually not the typical trail, not at all. It's actually a combination of many different birding sites all over the state of Florida. Duval County has 11 birding sites. Fort Carolina and Theodore Roosevelt area is the first one because it's the closest one to my home. And I come here often, and I have done so many videos already here. Oh no, they closed this section of trail completely. Okay, it just goes around. It won't go by the reach. Theodore Roosevelt area has lots of great trails. So that's the other end. Yep, they closed it completely. But it says actually, this portion of the green trail is temporarily closed. Okay, looks like temporary. Let's hope so. Nothing lasts longer than temporarily. That's one of the highest points in Jacksonville. Mount Pleasant. Look at the nice view. Okay, what's going on? What's going on? This Carolina wren is not happy. Florida Birding Trail is about a 2,000 mile long. It has about 500 individual birding sites all across the state. And Duval County has 11 sites selected. And my plan is to start going through one by one. And I'm gonna use my bike to get to the site. Of course, I'm not gonna use the bike here because what's the point of riding 5 minutes and then be stuck with the bike and not be able to walk. But if I go further, I'm gonna use my bike. That way I can combine my two main hobbies, bike traveling and the birding. Today's plan is to walk through Theodore Roosevelt area to the Spanish Pond and then go to Fort Carolina and do that loop. So all together it's gonna be like 6 miles. You know, it smells so good. Now I'm in Spanish Pond. Oh, what do we have here? Is it solitary? This is a solitary sandpiper. So that's the Spanish pond. Little blue heron. I'm gonna walk the trail. The trail is 1 mile long. It's beautiful. You are here. That's how it goes. This circle is 1 mile long. I'm gonna take the nature trail. Oh wow, giant swallowtail. Yep, that's the giant swallowtail. It's probably the biggest swallowtail here. Beautiful butterfly. Look at these 2 red spots in the back. Beautiful. That's one of the biggest butterflies here. Giant swallowtail. Do you hear that? That's the Kentucky Warbler. Wow, that's a Kentucky Warbler. Yep. Wow, that is incredible. That's incredible. Didn't expect that. That is a new county bird for me. And I haven't seen even in Florida. Can't believe it. Wow, that is incredible. Okay, let me see. I don't hear it anymore, but he's somewhere here. I didn't expect that. Kentucky Warbler is my 300th county bird. Wow. Didn't expect that. Now I have reached the exhibit. Let's take a quick look inside, and then I'm gonna continue my walk. That's how it looks inside. Oh, what do we have there? Yeah, there are like 10 or more house finches. Look at all those house finches. So cool. A whole bunch of them. Males have red face and females are just brown. Cool. Oh, I see the male bluebird. Great egret. He's just standing there and checking me out. Not really. He's looking for food. He doesn't care about me. And what we have over there, little blue heron in breeding colors. Almost looks like a regular heron, but it doesn't have a white belly. That's the adult bird. So now let's head back. I have about 2.5 miles to go back to the Theodore Roosevelt area parking lot. Couple of miles to go. Back to my car. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful morning. So this was the Fort Caroline and Theodore Roosevelt area. Duval County has 11 Florida birding trail sites. And after that, I'm heading to the next county and I'm gonna use the bike. I'm gonna ride the bike. I wanna combine the bike and the birding. So it's gonna be fun. Make sure that you are subscribed and I'll see you guys in the next one.